Hi everyone, this is Carol from Owl's Nest Quilters, and it has been suggested that we do a tutorial on how to navigate our website. We have tons of information on here, and we want you to be able to get the most out of our website, so hopefully this will help you. The first thing that we want you to do is to create an account or log in, and you just need to click on those. You can create your account by your name and your email and a password, and then you are in the system and you will be able to just easily make purchases online without having to constantly redo all of that information every time you come on. So that's the first thing we would like you to do, and if you've already done that, fabulous. The next thing is that almost everything that you need is in this top portion of our website. You can go back home, and this is the home page. The home page, usually we will have some kind of interesting video or slideshow that tells you something special is coming. And in this case, we have our Colorado Creations owner, Jackie Vucic, who is going to be here in August to do a landscape quilting, and this is actually the quilt that she'll be doing with us. So, and this is a short little video about her, and hopefully you'll read that and get more excited about coming to the class. Then we also have our stay up to date and see what's happening. So we've got our UFO challenge. This is a new one that I just put up on special features, our Colorado quilting box, and our June and July calendars. And all you need to do is press on each one of those, and they will take you to the page that gives you more information. So with the UFO challenge, it gives you a little information about the UFO challenge, and then you can click on these hot text links and it will take you to the information sheet, and you can print those out or read them, and just hitting the back button will get you back to the page that you were just at. And then it also brings you to the register, and you can register for any of our classes that we offer. And again, with the registrations, all you need to do is press the picture. And then that will take you to the page where you can add this to your cart and pay for it online. So this is very, very simple. I'm hitting the back button to get back to where I was, but I could also have hit the home button. So on the home button, each of these drop-down menus have more information. It's a little bit about us, how to contact us, what our store hours are, our products. It has all of our products, and you just need to click on each one of those categories and it will take you to that area of the website. If you don't like that, then we've also, as a secondary, is put them down here. So you can also shop our online store by hitting on each of these categories. So click on the picture and it takes you to the same exact location. So we have it so that you can get it however you want to. If you like doing drop-down menus, or if you like seeing all of the icons and pressing the pictures. So they'll have all the all the products. We've separated out our fabric because I know that that's the number one thing that people usually look at. And we have our cotton fabric in different categories of our solids, children's, flannel, grunge, K-facet, seasonal, and wide backs. And then our specialty fabrics are our batiks, canvas, Colorado Mesa University, Cork, Cuddle, garment fabrics, and craft tex. You can also access our newsletters. So you can go and you hit on the month, and that will take us to the June newsletter. And you just need to again click the picture, and that will take us to the PDF that you can then print or read online, and gives you all the newsletter information. I'm hitting the back button. So we can do that for June and July. Then our class registration, we have our June class offerings, our July class offerings, and now what I just put up were the special events. So on the special events, we can register for the things that are coming up in the near future. So we've got our Kimberbell Harvest Table, which is coming up this fall. We've got Jackie's class coming up in August. We have a great class by Leah McComas, who's going to be doing fused applique portraits. And then we have Katie Fowler doing her needle felting. So, and you're able to register right online. Some of these, like the Kimberbell Harvest, has an early bird. So if I click on that, you can see that I have an early bird special, and so at checkout you need to do the early bird code in order to get the $149 price as opposed to the $169. And that ends on, when does that end? August 1st. So it's helpful to know how to get to these places so you can see what's coming up and take advantage of any specials that might be going on. It also ensures that by registering early that you have your spot held. Then we also have our supply lists, and you click on those, and again you just need to click on the picture, and that will take you to the supply lists that you can then either just read online or print off at home. Then we have our machines and service. So we have the machines that we sell here at the shop. We have our list of Brother accessories that we can ship. So you can order those online and have those shipped off to you. Again, just press on the picture and it takes you to the page where you can put it into your cart. We also have previously loved machines. So if you're looking for a used machine, we have, oh, we don't have anything in that. We've all sold out. And then there are machines that Brother does allow us to sell online and mail them to people. So we can sell them outside of our territory. So those are ones that we can sell to you if you live in a different state or county, or that doesn't that we can't sell to normally. Then we also have our local resources, and in our local resources we get a lot of phone calls about quilting services. So this is our quilting directory, and if you click on the hot text, which in your case would be this dark blue, but since I've already visited it, it turns to a different color. If you click on that, it goes to a PDF where we have listed all of the people who have told us that they would be willing to do edge-to-edge or custom work. Some live in town, some live out of town, some live up, Cortez and Steamboat Springs. So if you have people up there that need help, those people are there for you. We also have information about our local guilds. Just click on the hot text, and that takes you to our list of our local guilds, and then our other quilt shops that are in town. And that gives a little map about how to get there, and also the name and addresses of those shops. Then back up here, what's all the hooting about is my blog, and there's a lot of different blog topics, conversations that I have with myself. But you can always comment on things. I was really hoping that people would tell me about in this one, I just had it in my hands literally a second ago. I mean, how many of us have said that? And I talk about the phenomenon of losing things that you had in your hands just a second ago, and you are able to leave a message. Tell us, because I was wanting people to tell us your story in the comments. Laughter all is the best way to combat this universal phenomena. So this should be interactive, and I'm hoping that one day it will be interactive, where people are posting their comments and suggestions and stories and whatnot. So that is what's all the hooting about. And then our last is that you can just very simply leave us a review rather than going through other third source areas. You can simply just leave us a review. And this goes into, I believe, our Google review. So those are the navigation bars, and that will get you just about everything that you possibly need. On the home page, if you scroll down just a little bit, all of this information is basically reiterated, just in icon form. So if you are more of a visual person, you can go to these areas. We do have our creative exclusives with our Colorado Quilting Celebrations box, our exclusive CMU fabric, our exclusive batiks, our exclusive fabric, and our exclusive patterns that you can't get anywhere other than Owl's Nest Quilters. We'll be listing here our block of the month projects, and we are getting some more, so those, look for those. And then again, we have all of the products that we have online that you can click on those categories and be whisked off to those areas. One other comment about if we do the patterns. On the patterns, because we had 900 patterns and I didn't want to have 900 of them listed, we did put them into categories according to pattern designer. So patterns by Robin Pickens collection. So if you click on that picture, it will take you to the patterns that we have for her. So it's just a little additional step. We also do that with the fabric. So if you go into cotton, and if you see the word collection, then you need to click on that picture and it will take you to what else we have in that collection. So rather than having them all individually separated away from their cousins and brothers, we did it this way so you could see all of the items that are in the collection. And hopefully that makes it a little bit easier for you to see things, and especially the coordinating collections. So this is an easy way. Not absolutely everything is on the website that's in the shop, but I've done a pretty darn good job, if I do say so myself. And I am trying to keep up with the latest fabric collections, and those will always be first in the category. So all of these are new collections that we've just gotten recently. And that's hopefully will be an easy way for you to at least shop the new things. But it's a great way that, you know, sometimes it gets overwhelming when you're here and you're seeing 5,000 bolts of fabric. That this way you can just sit down leisurely and go through and see really what we do have to offer. And go ahead and order them. You do have an option of ordering them to have them mailed or to be picked up. So if you're local, please click the pick up, and we'll have it cut and ready for you, and next time you come in the shop you can pick it up. So hopefully that will help you navigate and find out what all of our website has to offer, because it really is a very interactive and user-friendly website, and hopefully you'll get a lot out of it. The other thing that we have on our website is that you are able to follow us on all of our social media. So we have Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and YouTube, and simply click on those little icons and they whisk you off to our Facebook page. We would love to have you be more interactive with us, and not only like but also comment, because that always helps us with our what's called, well, I won't get into the technicals, but it helps us. It helps boost our visibility when people do organic searches. And so we come up, we want to be able to come up first, but at the very least we want to come up on the page 1 of their organic searches. And all of that helps us. So please comment on us and give us likes. We'd also love to have you share, because sometimes we like to put up finished samples of things. Let me see if I can. Here's Ellen's finished sample of her pillow, and but she was the only one that was able to finish it that day. And so once the other class participants finish theirs, we would love to have you post them, and you can either do that on your own or you can send me the picture and we'll post it for you. But we would just love to have you be more interactive with our social media, because that's what it's intended to do, is to be social. And so we encourage you to do that. We encourage you to like and comment. YouTube is another one that we are putting a lot of effort into, and that's the last one here with the little arrow. We have tons of videos starting to accumulate. We have our FYI series where Teresa's talking about different stabilizers and needles and all kinds of things that she's telling people about, different rulers and things like that. We've got more information about our UFO. We have our Cut It Up with Carol, which is my scan and cut videos. And we would love to have you subscribe, because again, the more subscribers we have, the more benefits we get in YouTube. And so it just, all of these things help us if you are more interactive with us. So that, in a nutshell, is our website. And I hope that this helps you learn how to navigate through it a little bit better and to take advantage of all of the information and resources and news that we have on it. And but if you have questions, let us know. We'll be glad to answer them.
Owl's Nest Quilters, because you love to create. Yeah.